how ship-to-ship transfer works in West Africa, full maritime breakdown. If you work in maritime, oil trading, or port operations in West Africa, you have probably heard the term ship-to-ship transfer many times, but what does it really mean? How does it work? Who is involved? And why is it such a big deal in places like Nigeria and other coastal parts of West Africa? In this video, I'm going to break down ship-to-ship transfer in a simple way, so even if you are a beginner, you can understand it clearly. Let us get into it. Ship-to-ship transfer, also called STS transfer, is the process of moving cargo from one vessel to another while both ships are afloat, usually at sea or near an anchorage area. This is common in the oil and gas sector, especially when crude oil or refined products need to be moved from one tanker to another. It is also used when a vessel is too large to enter a port or when cargo must be redistributed for shipping efficiency. In West Africa, STS operations are important because of coastal trade, offshore terminals, and the need to move petroleum products efficiently. Now, let us look at the steps involved. The first step is planning. Before any transfer begins, there must be proper coordination between the vessels, cargo operators, agents, and support teams. The weather must be checked. The sea condition must be stable. The vessels must be suitable for the operation. Safety is always the first concern. The second step is positioning. Both ships are brought into the correct location and they are positioned side by side at a safe distance. This is not a simple move. It requires experienced navigational control, tug support where needed, and clear communication. The third step is mooring. Special ropes, fenders, and equipment are used to secure the vessels together. Fenders help protect the ships from damaging each other during the transfer. This part of the operation must be done carefully because even a small mistake can cause serious damage. The fourth step is cargo connection. Hoses are connected between the vessels so the cargo can flow from one ship to the other. In oil operations, this is done with strict procedures, safety checks, and monitoring. The pumping speed is controlled to avoid pressure issues and leakage. The fifth step is cargo transfer. This is the main part of the operation. The cargo is pumped from the receiving vessel to the discharging vessel or vice versa, depending on the purpose of the transfer. During this stage, teams monitor flow rate, pressure, trim, and vessel stability. Everyone involved must stay alert. The sixth step is monitoring and completion. The transfer does not just end when the pumping stops. The teams must confirm cargo quantity, disconnect hoses, release moorings, and inspect the equipment. After that, all documents are checked and the operation is recorded. Now, why is STS transfer important in West Africa? One reason is flexibility. It allows cargo to move even where port access is limited. Another reason is cost efficiency. It can reduce the need for long port delays or expensive terminal use. It is also useful in offshore oil operations where direct port unloading is not practical, but there are also risks. There is the risk of oil spill, there is the risk of collision, there is the risk of equipment failure, there is also weather risk. That is why STS operations must be handled by trained professionals with proper planning and safety control. If you are in maritime, oil trading, or logistics, understanding STS transfer gives you an edge. And if you want to learn more about practical maritime operations, make sure you subscribe to CMA's Digital Hub for more real industry breakdown. It helps you understand how cargo moves, how operations are managed, and where value is created in the shipping chain. https://youtube.com/@CMA or Soil Trading.